Testing viral home hacks part 3. This next hack is for my paint hoarders, and if you've got a lot of tubs of paint left in your shed or in your cupboard and there's not actually that much paint left in them, all you want to do is grab a takeaway tub and decant what's left into the tub. You then wrap it in cling film and you can even put a label on it saying what you used the paint for. This way, those massive paint tubs aren't taking up valuable space in your cupboards or your shed. If your candle wax is burnt too low for you to be able to get a lighter in there, then just grab a bit of spaghetti like that and use that to light the wicks instead. If your curtains are looking a bit flat and lifeless, then you can just grab some foam insulation pipe, and you can get this from places like Screwfix and it tends to be really cheap. You want to cut this into equal pieces and then just pop it in between the hoops of your curtain. This actually makes such a big difference to the way that the curtains hang, and it's going to transform the room. Let us know what you think and make sure you're following for more on a budget content.